Welcome to Animal Tops video. Not only humans have the ability to move from one place to another, but animals in the world also possess it. They include mammals, birds, reptiles, insects, and fish that have remarkable migratory abilities. Despite humans using modern vehicles, these animals can still migrate with their natural abilities. Animal migration is done for various purposes such as searching for food, breeding, and protecting themselves from bad weather. During their journey, animals are aided by the Earth's magnetic field as a directional guide. Animal bodies have a natural ability to detect the Earth's magnetic field because there is a magnet inside their bodies. The Earth's magnetic field helps animals determine the direction of migration and makes their survival easier. When we talk about migrating animals, we usually think of birds. However, there are many other animals that migrate, such as deer, zebras, sea turtles, and even eels. The stories of these animals' migration journeys are also full of wonders. For example, salmon that swim against the river current to reach their breeding grounds, or monkeys that move from one tree to another in the jungle. Animal migration is indeed a wonderful natural phenomenon that deserves to be studied more deeply. Check out some examples of animal migration in this video. Number 1. Bird. Birds are creatures full of wonders. They are known as experts in flock migration and are able to travel long distances, even for thousands of miles, every year along the same route. Although forced to deviate from their route for various reasons, they are still able to return to their place of origin with remarkable accuracy. This is all thanks to the navigation system that birds have, which is no less sophisticated than the GPS commonly used by humans. Did you know that birds have a small magnetite in their beaks that functions as a magnetic field detector? This allows birds to know the direction and location with great accuracy. In addition, birds also have special cells in their eyes that make it easier for them to see where the magnetic field is and ensure they are on the right path. The young blue-tail seabirds are an example of birds that can break the record for the longest non-stop migration of birds, covering a distance of 13,560 kilometers. This demonstrates the remarkable navigation system of birds and their ability to travel long distances with high precision. It's truly amazing. Number 2. Turtles. Turtles are one of the most interesting animals to study, especially when they hatch and migrate long distances to find food or mate. Turtles can swim for thousands of kilometers to find the ideal place to lay their eggs, and they can also return to the beach where they hatched every year. During their journey, turtles use the Earth's magnetic field to help them navigate. They can sense the lines of the magnetic field and use it as a guide to stay on the correct migration route. In addition, the magnetic field also helps turtles find the migration path where they previously laid their eggs. During their journey, turtles can also avoid waters that are too cold and choose to be in a warmer environment rich in food. Overall, turtles are amazing animals with extraordinary navigation abilities, and we can learn a lot from the way they use the magnetic field to survive. Number 3. Salmon. Salmon is a species of fish known for its unique ability to migrate to the most potential location for hatching their offspring. Despite having to swim against the current, salmon have the ability to swim far and reach their place of origin. However, did you know that salmon also have a geomagnetic sensor that helps them in this migration process? The sensor on the body of the salmon can detect the Earth's magnetic field and map its migration path. With this ability, salmon can navigate their migration route accurately and reach the desired location to hatch their offspring. We can learn a lot from salmon about perseverance and uniqueness in the migration process. Number 4. Spiny lobster. Spiny lobsters are not only beautiful sea creatures to look at, but they also have an extraordinary ability to migrate. Spiny lobsters can sense the Earth's magnetic field and use it to find the right migration path. During migration, they tend to migrate to warmer waters with calmer currents, especially at the end of autumn. In their migration journey, they can also adapt to the surrounding environmental conditions to ensure they survive until their final destination. This unique ability helps spiny lobsters to survive and maintain their species in the vast ocean. Number 5. Shark. Sharks are mysterious sea creatures and have extraordinary abilities in migration. Sharks can swim thousands of kilometers by following a constant and consistent migration path. This is possible because sharks utilize the Earth's magnetic field to determine the correct direction and location. As a sea creature, sharks have a special ability that allows them to sense the Earth's magnetic field. Sharks have small holes in their noses, and inside these small holes, there is a jelly-like substance called the ampulla of Lorenzini. The jelly in these small holes functions as a receptor that allows sharks to detect electric signals and the Earth's magnetic field. By using their abilities, sharks can easily find the right migration path and always return to the same location every year. Although the ocean is vast and does not have clear direction markers, sharks can overcome this with their abilities. Number 6. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are one of the insects with the largest and farthest migration in the world. Every year, dragonflies travel up to 17,000 kilometers from northern Asia to the south during the winter season. On this long journey, dragonflies are assisted by the northern winds that bring them to their destination. However, not only relying on the wind, dragonflies also use the Earth's magnetic field to help them determine direction during migration. Even so, to reach the right destination, dragonflies require 4 different generations of dragonflies because each generation can only migrate a certain distance. So, dragonfly migration is indeed an interesting phenomenon to study. Number 7. Humpback whale. Humpback whales are one of the mammals that migrate the farthest in the world. They go far north during the summer season to search for food and rest among the ice. Humpback whales eat krill and small fish there, and then migrate to warmer waters in the winter season. They travel thousands of kilometers across the oceans to find warmer water and a place to reproduce. During their journey, humpback whales use a sophisticated sonar system to help their navigation. This sonar system allows humpback whales to detect obstacles and estimate the depth of water around them. Migration in the animal world is a fascinating and awe-inspiring phenomenon. With their unique abilities, these animals are able to travel long distances in search of food, breeding grounds, or even to avoid harsh weather. During their migration journey, these animals use various types of unique navigation techniques that depend on their surrounding environment, such as using the Earth's magnetic field, wind, or sonar systems. We can learn a lot from the migration abilities of these animals, such as their patience, resilience, and intelligence. Hopefully, knowledge about migration in the animal world can be beneficial for us to appreciate the life and diversity on our planet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to like and subscribe.